Manslaughter is a serious crime that involves the unlawful killing of another human being without the intent to cause death. It is a complex and multifaceted concept that can be difficult to grasp, especially for those without a background in law. Manslaughter is a homicide offence that is considered less severe than murder. While murder is typically characterized by a deliberate and premeditated intent to kill, manslaughter is often the result of a reckless or negligent act that leads to the death of another person. The key distinction between the two crimes lies in the level of intent and the circumstances surrounding the killing. Types of manslaughter. There are several types of manslaughter, each with its own unique characteristics and consequences. Some of the most common types of manslaughter include voluntary manslaughter. This type of manslaughter involves the intentional killing of another person, but without the premeditation or deliberation typically associated with murder. Voluntary manslaughter is often the result of a sudden and intense emotional response, such as a fit of rage or a moment of passion. Involuntary manslaughter. This type of manslaughter involves the unintentional killing of another person, often as a result of reckless or negligent behavior. Involuntary manslaughter can occur in a variety of situations, including accidents, self-defense, or the use of excessive force. Vehicular manslaughter. This type of manslaughter involves the killing of another person while operating a vehicle, often as a result of reckless or negligent driving. Felony murder manslaughter. This type of manslaughter involves the killing of another person during the commission of a felony, such as robbery or burglary. Causes of manslaughter can be caused by a variety of factors, including recklessness. Reckless behavior, such as speeding or driving under the influence, can lead to manslaughter. Negligence. Negligent behavior, such as failing to follow safety protocols or ignoring warning signs, can also lead to manslaughter. Emotional disturbance. Sudden and intense emotional responses, such as a fit of rage or a moment of passion, can lead to voluntary manslaughter. Accidents. Accidents, such as car crashes or workplace accidents, can lead to involuntary manslaughter. Consequences of manslaughter. The consequences of manslaughter can be severe and long-lasting. Those convicted of manslaughter may face imprisonment. Manslaughter convictions can result in significant prison time, often ranging from several years to life imprisonment. Fines. Fines can be substantial, often ranging from thousands to tens of thousands of dollars. Probation. Probation can be imposed in lieu of imprisonment, but may include strict conditions and monitoring. Civil liability. Those convicted of manslaughter may also face civil liability, including lawsuits from the victim's family or estate. Defenses to manslaughter. While manslaughter is a serious crime, there are several defenses that may be available to those accused of the offence. Some of the most common defenses include self-defense. Self-defense is a valid defense to manslaughter, particularly in situations where the use of force was necessary to protect oneself or others. Accident. Accidents can be a valid defense to manslaughter, particularly in situations where the killing was unintentional and not the result of reckless or negligent behavior. Insanity. Insanity can be a valid defense to manslaughter, particularly in situations where the accused was suffering from a mental illness or defect at the time of the killing. Duress. Duress can be a valid defense to manslaughter, particularly in situations where the accused was forced to commit the killing by another person.